Hey guys, it's been a while since I've updated you guys on what my Coinbase, um, what is it called, portfolio actually looks like, and I haven't updated you guys in a while. So the only real difference is I actually sold out of all of my Ethereum Classic, right? Yeah, I sold out of all of my Ethereum Classic, and I added it. I basically switched it to Polygon. I do think Polygon or Matic has a really strong chance of possibly still moving super high to the upside. I mean, I like the project, and I'm pretty sure that's why I moved it over. I don't know if it was like a week ago or whatever, but I sold out of Ethereum Classic. It's been consolidating for a while. There is a chance that I might be buying back into Ethereum, but not right now because I still think Bitcoin has a pretty significant drop to go. I'm actually still shorting Bitcoin right now, and I've been shorting it since like 60,000. But again, I think I bought some RLC, but when I buy stuff, sometimes I tend to just buy it just so I can have it in my front. And my actual portfolio just so I can look at the price, look at it, compare it to like other tickers and stuff. The only other update that I can give is Doggy Coin. I did buy $100 of Doggy, not because that's my initial buy-in, but because I wanted to be part of the $300,000 giveaway that Coinbase is actually doing. So, which is this little top section up here. So that's the only reason I bought $100 of Doggy, is just so I can actually be opted in to that giveaway. Apart from that, Polygon is now officially my biggest position. I think it's bigger than Cardano, 8,300. Polygon is at 80. Oh no, actually Cardano is still my biggest position. So Cardano, I have 8,300 in Cardano. Polygon, I have 8,200. Chainlink, I have 3,200. Stellar, I have 37. And then basic attention token, 1K. Whoops. And then Anchor, I have $300. Maker, I have $10. I actually gotta add some Make. I won't add any yet. Yeah, I'm essentially gonna go on a shopping spree only if Bitcoin actually drops to like 25K or so. That's when I'll actually go on a shopping spree. Um, for the most part, the rest of my Coinbase portfolio is gonna be exactly the same. And I more than likely will be accumulating more crypto, not now, only if we actually drop to like the 25K level on Bitcoin. I think other than that, I will not be buying anything else. And if I do end up buying or adding to my position, I will be adding Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin. I actually don't have too much Bitcoin. The only reason I actually had about $1,000 in Bitcoin, but that's because I wanted to put more funds into my Forex account. And I added I think I bought like $1,000 and I transferred over about $500 to my Forex account because I'm actually testing in the EA that some of you guys know that I'm testing for a friend of mine, or that we've been working together and stuff. And I'm gonna test it from scratch. So I'm actually starting a brand new series. I had the EA on Forex. It's been running since February, right? And it's done a pretty good amount, but I wanted to test it out with a smaller amount of money from scratch and basically, kind of video it, or what is it called? Document the process, kind of like a daily thing. At least that way you guys know, if I do release it, or if I ever want to actually release it, there's at least some sort of documentation that shows the results of it, right? But again, if it actually drops, or when it drops, I will be buying a bunch of Bitcoin, a bunch of Ethereum. I might add a little bit more to Chainlink, Polygon, and Cardano, just so I can have a little bit more exposure to that, as well as Maker. But I think my biggest positions that I will be accumulating if Bitcoin drops to like 25K, more than likely it's going to be Doggy again, it's going to be Bitcoin, and it's going to be Ethereum. I think those are going to be my three top accumulation crypto if Bitcoin actually goes back to that 25K. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. Quick update on my Coinbase portfolio, and I'll see you guys later.